If you want to use Grammarly in Google Docs in 2026, the easiest way is through the Grammarly browser extension. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install it, sign in, pin it for quick access, and then use Grammarly inside Google Docs with real-time AI writing suggestions. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, you need to install the Grammarly extension in your browser. Open the Chrome Web Store, or if you use a different browser, go to the extension store for Edge, Firefox, or Safari. In the search bar, type Grammarly and look for the official extension. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome, or the equivalent button for your browser. Then confirm the installation when prompted. After the extension installs, you'll want to sign in. Look at the top right area of your browser and find the Grammarly G icon in the extension bar. Click it, then log in with your Grammarly account. If you don't already have one, follow the sign-up steps and complete the setup. Signing in is important because it lets Grammarly sync your settings and provide personalized writing suggestions across your documents. Next, pin Grammarly to your browser for easier access. Click the puzzle piece icon in your browser toolbar to open your extensions menu. Find Grammarly in the list. Then click the pin icon so it stays visible at the top of your browser. This makes it much easier to quickly check settings, open Grammarly, or manage the extension while you're working in Google Docs. Now that Grammarly is installed and ready, open any Google Doc. As soon as the document loads, Grammarly should appear automatically. In 2026, the integration is much smoother, and you'll usually see a floating widget in the bottom right corner of your document. Sometimes you may also notice a small number counter, which tells you how many writing issues or suggestions Grammarly has found. If you want to review everything at once, click the floating widget. This opens the Grammarly sidebar where you can see all of the suggestions in one place. The sidebar organizes feedback into helpful categories like correctness, which is usually marked in red, clarity, which is blue, and engagement, which is green. This makes it much easier to understand what Grammarly is changing and why. As you type, Grammarly will underline words or phrases it thinks could be improved. You can hover over any underlined text to open a quick fix card. This is one of the fastest ways to use Grammarly in Google Docs because you can preview the suggestion and apply it instantly without opening the full sidebar. Just click the suggestion you want and Grammarly will update your sentence right away. If you're editing a long document, the sidebar is especially useful because it lets you work through suggestions one by one. You can accept, ignore, or review each recommendation depending on your writing style and your goal for the document. That's helpful whether you're writing a blog post, school paper, report, email, or script. A good tip is to use Grammarly as a guide, not as a replacement for your own judgment. It's great for catching grammar errors, improving clarity, and making your writing more polished, but you should always read the sentence yourself before accepting every suggestion. That way, your final document still sounds like you, and that's it. Once you've installed the extension, signed in, pinned it, and opened a Google Doc, Grammarly will automatically help you write more clearly with live suggestions in the floating widget and sidebar. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.